So the company that I work for has a couple of nurses that were talking pretty heavily about chiropractic care and how it kind of helped them out, and just kind of got to the point where I was like, this is definitely something that I want to try. And because this was in the neighborhood and this was something that somebody, I directly knew, I thought would be a good idea. Just decided, like, why not just go have a consult? So did that, and met Ty, and it was super comfortable on my first visit. We just sat down and we talked to each other, and it was, what are you looking for out of this? What does the past year look like for you? What does the past 10 years look like for you? Family history stuff, things that you definitely want your doctor to stop and take a minute and ask, and kind of get a feel of who you are as a person before you've walked in. We get out of the x-ray room, and he takes me to a shelf full of bowling shoes, and I put my size 8 bowling shoes on, and we come into the room, and he starts explaining the machines to me and what they do, and how to lay on a table so that you get your best alignment, and how you can kind of participate in the care itself as well. He broke some things down for me and talked to me like a doc would talk to a nurse, or talk to me like in my language, I guess. And things made sense for me, and then he showed me the equipment, and those things just were like, all right, well, this is nothing like I imagined it would be. This is nothing that I was, had pictured in my head or built up to be. And so set up my first appointment, came in and tried the adjustment. And so I'm laying on my side, and he puts this pinpoint pressure on my upper cervical area, confused because all my stuff was lower. All my pain was lower, like mid-back. And, but let it go, trusted it, decided I was just gonna keep going with it. And it just kind of lightly punches through, just a very subtle, and in my mind I'm thinking, no way. This is not gonna work. There's absolutely no way that the person who comes in and gets twisted and turned and cracked and all, who walks out feeling, great for a couple of minutes, maybe a day or two. No, there's no way that this little machine is gonna get me that same type of relief. And so for 3 weeks I said, okay, I'm gonna do it. I did it. And that was 7 weeks ago was the last time that I had to get adjusted. And my body has held, and I've had no back pain, not dull back pain, but no back pain. And not in my shoulders, not in my low back, not in my hips, absolutely none. So you can put that, on paper too.